Alright, here we have the materials for our high flow engine flush that I'm building for Nassau Royal, my buddy down there at Loghead Marina. We're going to be flushing 2 V8 motors and his generator. And so we're going to be using these high flow shutoffs. Now this is a 1/2 inch bit. Fits right through there. I don't know if you can see that. That's a 1/2 inch hole. Okay? Compared to this 1/4 inch hole that you normally have. Okay? 1/4 inch bit, 1/4 inch flow. This is 100% more flow. And then we're using these quick connects, and it's just a 1/16 under a 1/2 inch. So this is basically a 1/2 inch. But you see, we have a problem here with these quick connects. They got this back flush valve in there. So I'm just popping that out, throwing it away, and then we end up with this. Okay, put it together, pop straight through there, 1/2 inch flow. Okay. So that is high flow. So I'm going to be drilling it. This is a specially modified 1 inch spade bit. I had to trim it down to almost 7/8. So these will thread in nice and tight. Now these are the hose connectors. We're going to be using a hose that goes down to the seacock. So that hose will be connected to here via this, and then we're going to put the quick connect on here. Okay, so now, and this is going to be on the barrel. Okay, so you want to hook up your hose from the seacock, you just go ahead and push it in, pull it out, just like that. So that's why we just part one, the hose, connect the hose to a hose thread into our quick connect, and then into the barrel. 1, 2, 3, simple as that. And all you have to do is remove these little back flush dealies, and we've got it made. So this is really nice. But when you take that out of there, you can see it's a lot better, because we don't want this in there. We just pop that out. Boom, gone. There you go. That's clear all the way through. That's a big hole. That's a big hole there. Big hole there. Now, whoops. Now here's the one that the quick connects. You see how big the hole is? 1/2 inch holes on all of these. And like I said, all we have to do to get this back flush thing out of there is just take it, tap it out, just like that. Where's my other one? Okay. 1, 2, 3, tap it out. Now look at that hole. Isn't that something? That's a beautiful hole. Okay, well, I'm going to go drill out the barrel, and we're going to put this thing together. Okay, we're getting the first hole, second hole. Okay, we're putting the last quick connect on the barrel. I found this trick of putting a whole piece of hose on here, because you can't really tighten it that tight with this, so you just use the water pump pliers on that hose so you don't mess up the the fitting, and then you just loosen up and keep. You can use it like a ratchet. Works really good. Okay, I'm not going to over tighten it. There you go. It's on. Here, we're all set now. We got the hose going to the seacocks, the shut-off valve. It's off. Connect it. Right there, and we're all set. Ready to go. Now it's flowing. Flushing the engines. Got a nice little spring here to keep the tension off and stuff. Perfect setup. I'm really liking this connection in this shut-off valve. It's very robust with the spring loaded to keep the hose from kinking. And I like, instead of using hose clamps, these connections were $1.50 more, but you don't have any hose, shop hose clamp thing sticking out the mess with yours. Very clean looking and it's very robust. There you go. Got dual connections. Don't forget, haven't shut it off. Start up the engines. Well, turn them on, start up the engines, and you're off. Beautiful. Can't beat that. This is the generator. This is the motor. I mean the engine, and then on the other side, the engine for the port side. When you're all done, just disconnect it, throw the hose and everything right in the barrel, and haul it away. All I got to do is put a couple of ropes on here for Larry to be able to carry it. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to tune us in, like us, and subscribe. And we'll have more videos like this to help you pimp out your boat.